Hey everyone, in this really quick video, I'm going to show you how to change out the coolant bleeder valve from plastic to aluminum on a second gen Infiniti FX. So initially shopping, I bought this heater hose connector. This was the first thing I was going to do. But after looking at a few videos, I realized that I should probably change out the coolant bleeder valve as well while I'm at it. And that's what we did in this video. This thing was easy to locate on the driver's side. It's right here. Although it's right there, once I backed off the clips, I found it very difficult to actually remove this. I thought it may have been rusted or had some sort of corrosion, but there's actually no place to leverage it. So I had to wiggle it back and forth for a long time. And nobody really tells you that, but it's a lot more difficult. I found it a lot more difficult than it should be. As you can see here, I pull it out and it really doesn't have anything on it that would have prevented you from pulling it. It's just a lack of leverage in trying to disconnect the hoses. Right now, you're going to look at the aluminum one compared with the factory one. Exactly the same size. Okay, as you can see, I got the valve installed. It was a lot more difficult, took a lot more time than I thought it would, but it's in there and it's good. And of course, the last thing you do is you need to bleed the system of any air. I just changed out the radiator, so it's crucial that you do it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and check out my podcast, Hard Parking with Jay Finning, the non-automotive podcast, and I will catch you guys later.